Hi, today I'll show you how to do soft blur the face on After Effects. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I have this running footage and I'm going to blur the woman's face. First, set it on the first frame. Right click, new, adjustment layer. On the adjustment layer, we are going to create a circle with Eclipse tool with Ctrl Shift. Now go to Windows and click Tracker. Click on the mesh and on the tracker, choose face tracking outline only and press play. Okay, the track is on. Now go to Effect and choose Gaussian blur and apply it on the adjustment layer. Okay, now it's blur. On the mesh, I will add the mesh feather for the gradation and then expand it with mesh expansion. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!